so very happy and honored to open our dog park. Let us remember that over 2 years ago, this was a dream. Our dream that became a reality thanks to the Toto Foundation, but also to the support of Dave Johnson. One person made this dream a reality. The construction boss and his pal, Max. It would have taken another individual many years to ramrod what Bobby did in less than a year. Doing it with purpose, enthusiasm, generosity, and inclusion. I know that today it is hard for him to let it go. Meaning to turn it over to the public after his heart and mind has formed this park. But it is the right time and the right place. Today we dedicate this park to all the people and dogs that may have the opportunity to visit Tails to Trails. It takes a community to orchestrate change, and we are that.